So if you want to take a piece of artwork from a website and it doesn't let you by right mouse clicking on it, oh, copy, save to keep. Let's see what happens when we click that. Oh, look, it saved it. Gosh, that'll be fun. So I'm logged into my district account. You can tell because this is my picture up here. I'm going to right mouse click on this one and see what happens. Save to keep. Yay! The beauty of this is much higher resolution than the way I was going to show you, which was to open up whatever you want to click and save, and then click this little icon down here with the scissors on it to get this dialog box. Click New, and then I was very carefully trying to get in here and save this little tiny area. And that time it was actually much more successful. So this is a little tiny piece of artwork. I'm going to do File, Save As. I'm going to go to my Pictures folder. And I'm going to save it in my camera roll so that it's easy to find. And this is the IT logo for SDUSD, San Diego Unified School District. So I'm going to save that in my camera roll. But if you'll notice, this one's tiny, which will work for my purposes. But this notes keep thing is very cool because that's very high resolution. I'm really excited about that. See if I can download it. Archive, delete, open and keep. Not quite sure what keep is, but I'm definitely going to find out because look at the high resolution of that. That's really nice. So I'm going to save that puppy. Keep.google.com. And I'm going to put a keep. Let's see if I can do the same thing with this. Oops, wait a minute. Open a new link, save link as, open image in new tab. Open image in new tab, save image as. I'm also going to keep this one in my pictures folder, in my camera roll. And this is keep 48 DPI, I'm guessing. I'm going to add the DPI to it. It's a PNG image. We're going to save that. And then we're going to open up a new tab, type in drive.google.com. And I save things that I'm going to use on my website in a folder. If you notice, see where it says 05 sites? If you want things in your Google Drive, when you start getting tons and tons of things like this in your Google Drive, and you want things to go to the top, you can add a couple of underscores and a couple of numbers. This is really important, but if I saved it as to-do organization, it might be way further down in the list. So I'm going to double click on sites. My frivolity page, that's where I put all of my frivolity stuff. These are all my sites. So a student is one that I'm working on now. Icons for sites. New, file upload, pictures, camera roll. I'm going to take both of these and open them. And here's why. As soon as they're done being uploaded, you'll see the little checkbox. And now they're both uploaded. So here's where it gets really fun. I'm going to go to sites.google.com. Notice everything with Google is always whatever it is, .google.com. I'm going to go to my new Google Sites. I'm going to click on my website. And I've been keeping icons of things that I want to go to on my front page. So I'm going to double click here, click on Images, Google Drive, and Recent. And it's not there. What happened to it? Oh, this is my personal Google Drive. So I need to go into my Google Drive and switch this to my personal account. This is where you have to be very careful when you're doing things in Google. You have to make sure that the website that you're working on, this website was created with my own personal account. So you have to be very careful to icons for sites to be in your school account. So I uploaded those two icons to my school account, but I need to upload them to my personal account. So I'm going to do the same thing so I can have it in both. And as soon as they're uploaded, now I can go back here to my site, double click here, Images, Google Drive, Recent, and they should show up right here. So I'm going to double click the Keep icon. And then while I have it selected, I'm going to go back here to my Google Keep. I'm going to select this information right here and copy it. Control C. Notice how when I selected it, it added the HTTPS. I'm going to copy that, go back here, click on the link, and paste. Control V, and apply. So now anything that I save will go to my Keep automatically. After I publish this, and view, this is my live site. When I click on this, it should send me to my Keep. So that's where I'm going to keep stuff. Pretty cool. So see if you can add an icon with the link to your Keep and then share your Google site with me.